In the world of custom motorcycles, the Yamaha XT600 Tweety stands out as a prime example of creativity and engineering prowess. This fully-fledged flat-track racer is a marvel of custom flair, boasting unique design elements and performance enhancements that make it a formidable competitor on the track. The Yamaha XT600 Tweety is not just a motorcycle, it's a testament to the art of customization and the thrill of flat-track racing. Flat-track racing is a motorcycle sport that requires skill, precision, and a machine capable of handling the rigors of the oval dirt tracks. The Yamaha XT600 Tweety has been meticulously modified to meet these demands. With its roots in the reliable XT600, this custom bike has been transformed into a high-performance racer that excels in the competitive world of flat-track racing. One of the most striking features of the Yamaha XT600 Tweety is its custom design. The bike has been given a complete makeover, with a focus on both aesthetics and functionality. The custom bodywork includes a sleek and aerodynamic fuel tank, a minimalist seat, and a streamlined rear section. These modifications not only enhance the bike's visual appeal but also contribute to its performance by reducing weight and improving aerodynamics. The paint scheme of the Yamaha XT600 Tweety is another highlight. The bike's bright yellow and black livery is eye-catching and distinctive, making it stand out on the track. This vibrant color scheme is complemented by custom graphics and decals, adding to the bike's unique personality. Every detail of the bike's appearance has been carefully considered, resulting in a machine that is as beautiful as it is fast. Underneath its striking exterior, the Yamaha XT600 Tweety is packed with performance enhancements that make it a serious contender in flat-track racing. The bike's engine has been tuned for maximum power and torque, ensuring that it can deliver the speed and acceleration needed to compete at the highest level. Custom exhaust systems, air filters, and carburetors have been installed to optimize the engine's performance and give the bike a distinctive sound. The suspension system of the Yamaha XT600 Tweety has also been upgraded to handle the demands of flat-track racing. High-performance shocks and forks provide excellent handling and stability, allowing the rider to navigate the twists and turns of the track with confidence. The bike's braking system has been enhanced as well, with high-performance calipers and discs ensuring that it can stop quickly and safely. The Yamaha XT600 Tweety is not just a machine for flat-track racing enthusiasts, it's a dream come true for any rider who appreciates custom motorcycles. The bike's combination of performance, design, and craftsmanship makes it a joy to ride, whether on the track or on the open road. The attention to detail in every aspect of the bike's construction is evident, from the custom frame to the hand-stitched seat. Riding the Yamaha XT600 Tweety is an experience like no other. The bike's powerful engine, responsive handling, and striking appearance make it a standout in any setting. For those lucky enough to take it for a spin, the Tweety offers a thrilling ride that showcases the best of what custom motorcycle building has to offer. The Yamaha XT600 Tweety is a remarkable flat-track racer that combines custom flair with impressive performance. Its unique design, powerful engine, and high-quality craftsmanship make it a standout in the world of custom motorcycles. Whether you're a flat-track racing enthusiast or simply appreciate the art of motorcycle customization, the Yamaha XT600 Tweety is a bike that demands attention and respect.